Hi, my name is Ken Webster, and I'm the lead investigator for this case. Today, I'll take you through the latest updates on the G901 plane crash that occurred on February 17th, 2025. After the crash, the wreckage was transported to a nearby hangar where investigators from the TSB began a thorough examination. Their goal? To analyze every component, determine what factors contributed to the accident, and piece together the sequence of events. To better understand the crash, investigators conducted multiple simulated approaches and landings in a G901 simulator. This allowed them to replicate conditions leading up to the accident and gain deeper insights into what went wrong. Here's what we know so far. During touchdown, the aircraft's right main landing gear fractured. This caused the landing gear to retract, which in turn led to the wing root fracturing between the landing gear and the fuselage, the central structural area of the aircraft. As a result, the right wing detached from the fuselage, releasing a significant amount of jet fuel. This fuel ignited, causing a fire while the aircraft skidded along the runway. Inside the cockpit, the door became jammed, forcing the flight crew to escape through the emergency hatch located on the ceiling. Shortly after, emergency responders arrived and entered the fuselage. Unfortunately, an explosion occurred in the left wing root area, but the exact cause is still unknown. Investigators have examined components of the flight control system, and so far no pre-existing malfunctions have been detected. Preliminary data from the flight recorder also shows no caution or warning messages related to flight controls. However, further analysis is ongoing. As the investigation continues, experts will focus on metallurgical analysis of the wreckage, certification aspects, including landing gear integrity, and flight techniques used during landing. Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover the truth behind this tragic event.